Welcome to our PowerPoint tutorial. In this video, we're going to create a dynamic and visually appealing design using shapes, colors, and animations. Whether you're looking to enhance your presentation skills or just add some creative flair to your slides, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve a professional look. Let's get started. Go to the Insert tab. Under Shapes, select the triangle. Draw the triangle on the slide. Set the height and width to 2 inches or 5.08 centimeters. Rotate the triangle by 45 degrees. Go to the Insert tab again. Under Shapes, select another triangle. Draw the triangle on the slide. Set the height to 2.56 inches or 6.5024 centimeters and the width to 2.84 inches or 7.2136 centimeters. Adjust the triangles as shown in the video, aligning them as needed. Select both triangles. Go to the Shape Format tab. Click on Merge Shapes and select Union. Make 3 copies of the merged shape. Adjust the positions of these shapes as shown in the video to create layout. Go to the Insert tab. Under Shapes, choose the circle. Draw the circle on the slide as shown in the video. Select all the shapes, triangles, and circle. Go to the Format Shape tab. Under Merge Shapes, select Fragment. Delete the extra parts as demonstrated in the video. Go to the Insert tab. Under Shapes, choose the rectangle. Draw the rectangle to cover the slide. Change the color of the rectangle to any color of your choice. Right-click on the rectangle and select Send to Back. Change the color of each shape to make the design more visually appealing. Add icons, titles, and descriptions to the shapes and next to them as desired. Select all the content on the slide. Go to the Animations tab. Choose Fly In. Open the animation pane and adjust each animation direction to your preference. That's it for our PowerPoint shape design tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy presenting!